Standard 6, Subject Science, Lesson number 16, The Universe. Now, can you tell me what is universe? The universe is all of space and time, and that contains including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. The universe is it includes living things, planets, stars, galaxy, dust clouds, light, and even time. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing millions or billions of stars. The space between the stars and galaxy is largely empty. The universe is thought to consist of three types of substance: normal matter, and dark energy. Normal matter consists of the atom that make up stars, planets, human being, and every other visible object in the universe. Our universe began with an explosion of space itself, the Big Bang. A group of innumerable stars and their planetary systems are together known as galaxy. The Milky Way is a galaxy in which our solar system is located. The Milky Way is a part of the local group of galaxy. There are many such galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way includes many stars smaller than our sun, as well as many other stars that are thousands of times bigger than the sun. Starting from extremely high density and temperature, space expanded, the universe cooled, and the simplest elements formed. It also includes many other celestial bodies such as clusters of stars, nebula, clouds of gases, clouds of dust, dead stars, newly born stars, etc. The galaxy that is closest to our Milky Way is called Andromeda. The universe includes gravity gradually drew matters together to form the first stars and the first galaxies. If you observe the clear sky on a dark night, you will see a smoky white band full of stars spreading north-south in the sky. This is the Milky Way. It is also known as Mandakini. Innumerable galaxies, the space between them, and also energy. So, a galaxy is basically a large group of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. This is the simplest definition of galaxy. Galaxy contains stars, gas, and dust which are held together as a group by gravity. There are billions of stars in one galaxy. In the universe, matter is not homogeneously distributed, but on the contrary, it is concentrated in certain areas forming galaxy, which form large groups called galaxy clusters. Among this area, there are huge voids or empty spaces. Inside galaxy, we can find the following structure: billions of stars, star cluster. They are grouping of stars. Gravity. Nebula. They consist of clouds of gas. Nebula. They consist of clouds of gas, mainly H and He, and interstellar dust. These are the places where stars are born. Also, they can be the remains of stars that died. Example, pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula, 7,000 light years away. Multistellar systems. There are two or more stars held together by gravity that revolves around a common center. They are often apparently seen as a single star. They are commonly double or binary system. Example, Alpha Centauri. The nearest star to our sun is a binary system. Star cluster are large group of stars. Our galaxy is an spiral-shaped galaxy called the Milky Way. The Milky Way belongs to the galaxy cluster called the local group. The local group is made up of about 33 galaxies. The closest galaxy to us is Andromeda. So, system of millions or billions of stars held together by the gravitational attraction between gas and dust. So in our next video, we are going to study about types of galaxies and stars. Thank you.